everyone, welcome to a new slime review, and today I am super excited to open this new slime. It's from Peachybbies, a slime company, and it's called Fairy Water. It came with stickers, sticky fix, and this. So let's get right into it. Whoa, it's swirled on the top. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It might need a bit of sticky fix, I don't know. I'm not a slime expert. But wow, this is nice slime. I think I'll give it a bit of sticky fix because it's a bit sticky. Oop, hold on. So, 2 sprays. I'll do some, hold on, let's see how much it says. Okay, so we got it. It says that we have to take it out. Well, actually, I think I'll play with it a bit more, and then if it gets less sticky when I play with it, I won't put any sticky fix in it. And oh my gosh, guys, this is the best slime I've ever played with. It is so nice. It might need a bit of sticky fix. I just said that. Hold on. It says it's fairy water, and it feels like fairy water. Well, it doesn't feel like fairy water, but it looks like fairy water. I think it would be better if they made this into a water slime, so it looks like water and it feels like water. That'd be really nice. I don't know why I'm spreading it out when it's not a butter slime. It's kind of thick. I don't really like thick slimes. Thick slimes are okay, but I'm sorry, but I just don't really like them. I think I'll just put 1 spray of sticky fix in. Okay. And then I'll mix it up. Mixy, mixy. What if the sticky fix got melted? That would be bad. What would we do with our sticky slimes then? This is such a nice slime. I think it would be better if it was bingsu, but if it had a bit of bingsu beads in it. I don't really know how to play with this slime. It's a bit thick. But I bought it for it to be slime and for it to be beautiful. I think it might need some glycerin. Daddy, yeah. Do we have any glycerin?
I have no idea.
Okay. Sticky fix sure is helping it a lot. It's squishy, squishy, squishy. squishy, squishy. I think I need some sticky fix. Maybe. Hold on, let me play with it more. If you guys buy from my slime company, Sweet Lemon Slimes on eBay, I might be able to do a bit more of these videos. So you should probably get some slime from there because we have good slime and it also benefits my YouTube channel. So you guys should do that. I'll give a shout out to the first ever person who buys my slime. So you better go and get some slime. I think I'll put just one more spray of sticky fix. I think that'll help it. Because it's still kind of sticky. I don't like sticky slime. The good news is no residue in it. I mean, no debris in it. And we'll see if that helps. Yep, it's definitely helping, I think. Okay, so it says if it's stiff, add some warm water to it. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'll be right back, okay? Hold on. Let me just get this. Okay, bye. I think I'll give this slime a 4 out of 5. I knocked 1 star off because it's kind of stiff and it takes a lot of time and hot water to make it not stiff. It looks like, so sometimes if you pull it, it's hard to, yeah, just, that's that. So if you do this, so Peachybbies, please put a lot of effort into the slime. I know you put a lot of effort into all of your slimes, but this one, like, even if you put just a little bit more effort into it, it could make someone stay a lot better. So please do that. It comes with a little leaf charm. Very cute. Hold on, let me get out of the, okay. Not very good for that. Let's try bubbles. And for this money, you get a lot of slime. Like a whole lot. Did you hear that? That's the sound of good bubble pops. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.